காலை வணக்கம். So warm welcome to you all on this 22nd annual day celebration of Malangara Catholic College. Hello MCC. Yeah, you are all here. Thank you. தென்பொதிகை பிறந்த மொழி, தென்பாண்டி வளர்ந்த மொழி, தேனனும் இனிய மொழி, தவிட்டாத செந்தமிழ் மொழி, அமிழ்தனும் இனிய மொழி, ஆண்டாண்டுகளாய் வாழும் மொழி, அன்னை மடியை விஞ்சும் மொழி, அனைத்து என்னை மகிழும் மொழி. இதயத்தின் நாளங்கள் மூராகி பாடினாலும், இனிமையான கல்யாண ராகம் பாடினாலும், முகமிழந்து போனாலும், இக்கொடிய உலகில் முதுமையில் வீழ்ந்து அமிழ்ந்து போனாலும், முகவரி இழக்காது இலக்கிய உலகில் முத்தாக மிளிரச் செய்யும் இனிய மொழி என் தமிழ் மொழி. என் தாய் தமிழுக்கு என் வணக்கங்களும் வாழ்த்துக்களும். அன்பின் சிகரம் நீ, இன்பத் தென்றல் நீ, காக்கும் தெய்வம் நீ, கருணை கடலும் நீ, மங்காத ஒளியும் நீ, சிங்கார உருவம் நீ, உள்ளத்தில் உறைபவன் நீ, உலகெங்கும் நிறைபவன் நீ. சிலுவையில் செந்தை கண்டு தாயாய் தந்தையாய் தமையனாய் தனையனாய் தங்கையாய் தோழனாய் தோழியாய் நல்லாசானாய் எம் உடன் பயணிக்கும் எம்பிரான் இயேசுபிரானை வணங்கி சபைக்கும் சான்றோருக்கும் வாழ்த்து கூறி வந்த உங்கள் அனைவரையும் அன்போடு வரவேற்பதிலே மட்டற்ற மகிழ்ச்சி கொள்கின்றேன். His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Vincent R. Paulus, the Bishop, and our Chairman cum Manager, our guest of honors, Dr. T.P. Sasikumar, Panchayat President Mr. Sasikumar, Parent Representative Dr. Magesh Ramachandran, dear Barsa Reverend Father Robinson, beloved Principal Dr. Lifton, Reverend Fathers and Reverend Sisters, dignitaries, well-wishers, parents, dear staff and students. A warm good morning and greetings of the day. Like the rising sun, MCCians are with great enthusiasm in fulfilling the blessed days with the right actions to achieve the best. While standing before this vibrant gathering to welcome the precious personalities to our mid and mind, I could say that MCC is meaningfully addressing its vision, transformation of society through human resources as its founders and well-wishers envision. Dear friends, being the topper in all spheres of higher education and in molding responsible global citizens for the last 22 years, MCC remains the unique institutions. Before entering into my duty of welcoming the gathering, I thankfully bow my head before God Almighty, all the pioneers in the diocese, former principals, staff, students, parents, and all well-wishers who nurture MCC to this moment with true spirit and speed. With much pleasure and privilege, I welcome the President of this annual day celebration, our beloved Bishop, Manager, cum Chairman, His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Vincent R. Paulus. Dear Bishop, we believe that your prayers and blessings are the sole source behind our achievements. Further, your foresighted efforts with in-depth insight coupled with great expectations and encouragement leads MCC as the unique educational icon of this territory. On behalf of the entire gathering and my own behalf, I express a heartfelt welcome to our beloved Bishop. Welcome, His Excellency. For staff and students, MCC is the source of continuous motivation, commitment and competence. In order to fuel it much better, today an extraordinary personality with real human values is with us. Dr. T.P. Sasikumar, our chief guest. He is a space scientist, life mentor, thought leader, writer, public speaker, educationalist, teacher, management consultant, meditation master, psychotherapist, and so on. He served our nation with very elite designations like Deputy Director, Directorate General of Security, Scientist, Advanced Data Processing Research Institute, Hyderabad, Program Planning and Project Management, ISRO, UCC Academic Staff College, Calicut University, Kerala, and many more. Dear Sir, your readiness to accept our invitation to address the blossoms of MCC and its 22nd annual day celebration is a blessing for us. While searching his profile in the website, I saw Dr. T.P. Sasikumar. He is enthusiastically interacting with children and youth, who is teaching them science and training them with new methods, especially in climbing coconut tree. Then I decided to bring him to our campus, irrespective of all the limitations, to blast the frozen thoughts and believe our youth on academy, research, employment, and to rejuvenate the competent potentials to mark your place in the global ranking. Dear sir, MCC values you and your services and efforts and wishes all success in your endeavors. On behalf of the MCC family and all who gather here, I extend our sincere welcome to you, sir. Institutions are asset of a nation. Its prosperity is the ultimate responsibility of the leaders of its locality. In such a way, Mr. Sasikumar, the Medugamal Panchayat President, can contribute a lot to Malankara Catholic College. On behalf of all participants, I express our sincere welcome to Mr. Sasikumar and wish him all success in his efforts to uplift this Panchayat. Welcome you. Parents are the best evaluators of institutions and its potentials. As the representative of parents of all the 2094 students of MCC, Dr. Magesh Ramachandran is here. With much pleasure, I welcome all the parents, very especially Dr. Magesh Ramachandran, the parent representative to this function. Welcome you. With much enthusiasm, I welcome all my spiritual colleagues, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters of my diocese and neighboring dioceses who are helping MCC through prayers and service. The presence of members of governing body, pastoral council, correspondence secretaries, bursar, principals, and faculties of neighboring institutions, and our sister concerns, Mar Chrysostom Education College, Krathur, and Mar Ephraim College of Engineering, Elavillai, and our schools is our proud privilege. I extend our sincere welcome to you all. Also, I welcome all the officials from local administration, police, and press who are rendering timely support for us to this function. With much pleasure, I express our sincere welcome to all the invited guests, our well-wishers, especially the Mariyagiri parishioners who are present here. When I come to the circle of MCC, it's my proud privilege to welcome our Bursar, Very Reverend Father Robinson, who is commendably strengthening this institution through his solid service at its simplest way. Welcome you, Father. In the academic year, MCC is decorated with plenty of result-oriented Bible activities with remarkable achievements. This is possible only by a successful academician, researcher, and administrator who converges all diverse resources towards a common vision. With much pleasure and proud, I welcome our beloved principal, Dr. J. Thambi Thangakumaran. Welcome you, sir. MCC is lucky enough to have a well-experienced scientist, Dr. A.P. Lifton, the honorary director of Interdisciplinary Research Center, who is strengthening MCC's research and extension service opportunities. After a long-term service as scientist and director in Indian Council for Agricultural Research in CMFRI and head in CMST MS University, he is with us like an young and energetic researcher and advisor. Dear sir, MCC is ever indebted to you for your untiring efforts in our college village linkage program and for Maxibus, the national level science and aquatic exhibition. On behalf of all who gather here, on my own behalf, I extend a warm welcome to you. Very sincerely, I welcome our Superintendent Sister Christy, who is responding to the requirements of this institution with great responsibility. Welcome you, sister. Dear friends, the future of the nation lies in the nature of teachers. I welcome all my MCC staff, both teaching, non-teaching, who are nurturing our youth in terms of knowledge, skills, and values. Dear staff members, your service at MCC is not limited to you or your students here. It will be praised far and wide for years together. I wholeheartedly welcome all the MCC staff. Welcome you all. Dear students, you are the born at MCC You are the blood of MCC. Everything is for your experience. These energize the self and express yourself to become a responsible citizen who could serve your family, our nation, and the world. MCC is proud of you and your parents. Remember your parents and teachers for a while with gratitude. Dear friends, I express my loving welcome to you all my student friends. Welcome you all. Dear achievers, the university rank holders, this is the right time to have an introspection on how you responded to your parents, teachers, and services of MCC during your study as well as till today, on how you got this university wrong. Friends, today ranking is banking or the king of individuals and institutions. Don't stop here. Continue your march to higher ranking in both studies and your life. You, the 64 rank holders, including the 5 first rank holders, place again MCC at the top among the affiliated colleges under our university. Dear friends, you are the role models, motivational source for all MCC students. Give a helping hand to them to attain great heights. With much pleasure and privilege, I welcome all the rank holders and your parents for this function. Once again, I thankfully welcome all who directly and indirectly associated with the MCC to this 22nd annual day celebration. Welcome you all. கையில் கொண்ட நீர்த்துளி காணப்பொழுதில் நீராவியாய் காணாமல் மறைந்ததோவென கவலை வேண்டாம் தோழரே. காலம் கரைந்து மேகமுரசி மாறி நம்மை அணைத்து மகிழ்ந்திட மாதங்கள் சில தொலைவில் தானே. மனம் வருந்தாதிருப்போம். நீருக்கும் மழைக்கும் உண்டோ பிரிவு? நம்மை இப்புவியில் பிரித்திட எவருக்கும் சக்தி உண்டோ? கல்வி எனும் கற்றலை கொண்டு கடலெனும் ஆழிப்பேரலையை விரைந்து கடப்போம். தேர்வு எனும் துடுப்பாய் அதுவரைக்கும் காத்திருப்போம். பொன்வானம் பிறக்கும் என்று. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.